Hi, I'm Tasman and today I'm going to show you how to make a prebiotic night cream using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. First log in and select the skin and hair care program, and then click on the oil and water cream build and then click create. Firstly, I'm going to select my humectant and I'm going to select the propane diol. This is non-tacky and non-sticky. Next is my gum and I'm going to select xanthan gum. Next is my anionic emulsifier and I'm going to select the sodium stearyl glutamate. For my non-ionic emulsifier, I'm going to select the Olive M 1000. Now because it's a night cream, I do want to make this quite thick, so I'm going to use the Olive M at maximum input, which is 6%. Next is my lipids, and I'm going to select a bit of avocado oil. This has a nice heavy skin feel, it's great for dry skin, and it's also rich in a few vitamins as well. I'm also going to select a bit of kapaku butter. This is a nice exotic butter and it's nice and emollient. And I'm also going to select a bit of the CTLC5 because I don't want my cream to be too heavy and too greasy, so I'm going to add a nice light feeling lipid into it. Next is my preservative and I'm going to pick the Geoguard ECT. For my essential oil, I'm going to pick some German chamomile. Now because this is a face product, I don't want my essential oil to be too overpowering, so I'm only going to add 0.1 in my formula. Next is my actives and I'm going to select the Biolin P. This is a prebiotic active ingredient. It helps to rebalance the skin and it also makes great improvements and strengthens the skin also. Next is my added extras and I'm going to select some bilberry extract. This is rich in antioxidants. I'm also going to select some Got2 cola and a little bit of olive leaf. Last but not least is my antioxidant and I'm going to select the mixed tocopherols. And now we're going to click on Generate Method, and here is a full formula method. Now let's get into the lab. And that's how easy it is to make a prebiotic night cream using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, leave any questions in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe to createcosmeticformulas.com so you can get making your own creams. Happy formulating!